So my positive coping mechanism is cooking. So today I want to take you through a simple recipe called Penne Explosiva. So come cook with me and de-stress. First thing I'm gonna do is take a pot of water, boil it, put a bunch of salt in it so that I can make my pasta. So to prep, I'm gonna cut up 3 of these andouille sausages. These are a spicy sausage that's gonna go in with the shrimp and the cream. Now the best way to do this is to take them and cut them lengthwise. Lay them out and then cut them in quarters. So I used frozen shrimp. This is 41.50. That means there's 41 to 50 in a pound. This is 1 pound of shrimp. I have this already heated and ready to go. I'm gonna throw the shrimp in first because the andouille's already cooked. We're just gonna heat it through. And we're just gonna cook them for a couple minutes. They'll start to turn a little bit orange. And we'll know that they're ready to go. They don't have to be cooked all the way through because they're gonna continue to cook in the sauce. Now that it's been about 3 minutes, I'm gonna take the sausage and throw them in the pan with the shrimp. I'm gonna mix them together and I'm gonna let them cook until the sausage is warmed through. Now that the sausage is warmed through and the shrimp is cooked, we're gonna add about 16 ounces of a heavy whipping cream. You're gonna bring down the heat a little bit because we don't want it to curdle. I'm just gonna throw it over the top, about right there. We're gonna let it warm through and then we're gonna add the secret ingredient. All right, now that it's a little bit boiling in here, you can see it start to warm up. Now we're gonna add our secret ingredient. Spicy Chipotle Tabasco. I'm gonna use about 2/3 of this bottle. So I'm gonna take that little tiny top off and just pour it over the top and integrate it into the cream sauce. Now, if you don't like it that spicy, you can take some out, but the flavor is really good. And that's about it. It's gonna start taking on a nice color and a nice flavor. Mix it all in, put it on low, and let it cook. While everything is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna quarter them and pull them all out. And all you have to do is cut them in half and then cut them in half again. Set them to the side. Tomatoes are cut and quartered. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna chiffonade our basil. I'm gonna show you how to do that to make it easy and to make it look really, really nice. Okay. You take the leaves, you stack them together. This is just gonna make it look really nice. And then you're gonna roll them up. When you roll them up, kind of get them tight. And this is what we call a chiffonade. So you take little slices and it just creates ribbons. Now look at that. Little cool ribbons that you can put on top. Looks like you're a master chef. Okay, pasta is cooked, so I'm gonna strain it. Get over to the sink. One of the good indicators that it's ready to go is you'll see this ring around the top here. And that's an indicator that it's ready to be pulled off. So we're gonna put our pasta in the bowl And then we're gonna pour this over the top. I'm gonna take the pasta, put it in the bottom of the bowl. Still warm. I'm going to take the sauce that's warmed through and pour it over the top. Everything in there. All the good bits, all the shrimp and andouille is on top. And this is where we're gonna make it pretty. So we're going to put the tomato up on top. And then we're gonna take the basil, put that up on top. And here's the part, if you don't wanna do this, you don't have to, but I really enjoy blue cheese. Here's a crumbled blue cheese. You could try a different cheese if you want, or leave it out altogether, but it gives it a good flavor. Put it over the top. And there we are, my penne explosiva. Thanks for joining us today for my coping mechanism and cooking with me.